What's up, you dumb midgets? I'm your badass savior, Dora the Explorer. And today we are going to make some chicken. El Pollo. And who will we use as our victim? I mean helper.
Dora, don't tell me we are going to use the big red chicken as our helper. He's a good friend of ours.
Well, the big red chicken was being an ass to me for no reason, so that's why he's going to be our helper. Anyways, let's build our trap, machine for the big red chicken. We'll be back after this commercial break. Cameraman, you're supposed to cue the commercials while we build our machine.
Dora pisa pa flak pole Dora la puta exploradora.
Fine. So be it. We'll just cue the commercial ourselves.
Get 3 chicken buckets for over $9,000, only at AFC. Arizona Fried Chicken. And if you dare say we ripped off KFC, we will sue your asses off.
Holy shit. We worked our asses off. But we managed to finish our trap, machine. Now where's the big red chicken? Do you see the big red chicken? There he is. Groches, hola the big red chicken.
Oh, hello Dora.
We've got something special for you. Could you please go up those steps for us?
Sure thing Dora. So, what's the surprise? What the?
Ha 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 ha. You see? Your surprise is actually a trap. I'm going to fry you to death as revenge for chasing me around my casa with a crowbar.
Wait. Dora, I'm sorry. I promise I'll never do it again. Just please let me go.
Never! Prepare to die.
Oh shit. This isn't good. Well, I guess this is really the end for me. Goodbye world.
Hooray! We've got fried chicken. Now let's eat. Yum 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 yum. Delicioso.
Hey! I'm supposed to say that Dora the fat ass explorer.
Oh, shut the hell up, backpack.
Dora that freaking explorer. How dare you cook the big red chicken and eat him up? That's just plain cruel.
Let's go home right now, Dora the freaking explorer. You are grounded for 5 weeks because of your cruel actions. Go to your room right now.
Why?